Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, right over there. Put one finger in and then push it left and then lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. There should be a clip over there for you. Pull the rod out of the clip, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it in position like this. Let go of the hood and now it's secure. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it is right behind there is this circular cap. We have to get the cap off. And you'll have to use your thumb and index finger both to loosen the cap. So just twist it left and it comes off. Get the cap out of there. There's the electrical connector on the bulb. First just get all the wiring out of there so you have more space to work inside. Now get the electrical connector and just pull it off of the bulb. The key to this whole job is to make sure you're patient. If you're getting impatient because of lack of space over there, you'll get frustrated and you'll stop doing it. Just be patient, get the connector out. Now there's a metal clip that's holding the bulb in place. Press over there and get it around that hook. Good, now it's undone. Now you'll be able to lift up this clip, but it's just gonna fall in again. It gets kind of frustrating and that's fine, but it is what it is. Grab the bulb and maneuver it around that metal clip and get it out. It's gonna take a few seconds, but you'll be able to get the bulb out. There you go, the bulb is right there. The bulb size is right there on it. 9003 or HB2 or H4, it's all the same. 9003 HB2 or H4. Now look at this trick I'm doing with this clip. Get the electrical connector wire around the metal clip the way I'm just showing. This is the only way I was able to figure it out to keep the metal clip out of the way. Route the wire just the way I'm showing. Now you can easily get the bulb in without the metal clip bothering you when you're putting it in. Get it in position this way. Now let's just put the metal clip back on around the hook and that's good. Let's get the electrical connector on. It only goes on in one way. Push it on, that's good, and let's put the cap on. Now the trick with the cap is first just get it in position and then start twisting it left as you're trying to push the cap down, like on the light. Twist it left and down. Good. See, once it drops in like this, then you twist it right to lock it in place. And we're done here. Moving on to the driver's side. Everything is same bulb, same process, same everything, except that this fuse box is in the way, so you'll have to take off 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that's only for when you're trying to put the bulb back in. Let's just start with taking this cap off, same process, then get the connector off, and all of this I can do without even moving the headlight, without taking those 10mm bolts off. Get the connector, let's press down the metal clip and get it around from that hook. Good, and now I can grab the bulb and get it out from the light. There you go, it's coming out. And there it is. It's the same 9003 bulb as the passenger side. Now to put the new bulb back in, get the 10mm socket ratchet combination and let's get those 4 bolts off. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now get the light and push it forward. All we are trying to do is just move the light a little bit. We're not going to take it out completely. We're just going to try and move it a little bit to give us like 1 extra inch of space so that we can put the bulb back in. We can use both our hands when we're putting the bulb back in. So push it forward. Good. Now backwards and upwards. Like forward and then back and up. This gives us the extra space we need. And now let's just put the bulb back in. The bulb is in position. Good. Let's put the metal clip back on. And now let's put the electrical connector back onto the bulb. Let's get the cap in position. Same trick with the cap. Just get it in position and then start twisting it left when it drops in. And then you twist it right to lock it in place. Good. Now let's twist it right. And it's now locked in place. That is good. Now pay attention to right where my finger is. See how that 2 plastic metal pieces interact? It should look that way once the headlight is back in place. You can pause the video here and make sure it looks the same with your own headlight. Now if you have 2 different bolt sizes, use the longer bolt for the headlight. Over there in the front and the one in the back. Use the shorter ones for the plastic cover. 3 and 4. Just hand tighten them all first and then you can tighten them all down using the 10mm socket ratchet combination. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that is pretty much it. First push on the hood, get the load off the prop rod and get the prop rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.